Our series on Las Vegas hotels continues. Next stop, Paris Hotel, on this edition of Travelin' Joe. Hello everybody, it's Travelin' Joe, and today we're at the Paris Hotel and Casino in Las Vegas, Nevada. The resort is located near the center of the Strip and is operated by Caesars Entertainment. Let's see what the resort has to offer. If you're enjoying our videos, please make sure to like and subscribe to the channel and ring the notification bell. Let's get started. The hotel registration desk is located toward the front of the casino. The lobby is elegant and lavish and features crystal chandeliers and classic portraits on the walls. Check-in time is 3 p.m. and check-out time is 11 a.m. You'll also find several kiosks where you can check in and check out. The lines are usually shorter at the kiosks. Okay, we're all checked in and we're heading to our room. The room was located on the 16th floor of the hotel. This is a pretty large hotel with over 2,900 rooms. My room was the 2-queen burgundy room. This renovated room features 2 queen-size beds and is 390 square feet. The room was very spacious and featured a modern European flair. This is the first time I stayed at the newly renovated rooms, and I must say I was quite impressed. The room featured a flat-screen TV and a large dresser and closet. You'll have plenty of room for all of your clothes. On the left side closet, there's an iron and ironing board and a luggage rack. And the right side closet featured an in-room safe and a refrigerator, which is a great feature. The room also featured a desk and a chair. The bathroom featured a large single-sink marble vanity. The sconces in the mirror gave it an elegant feel, and there was a hairdryer and plenty of towels. I really enjoyed the spaciousness of the bathroom. The room also featured a large glass walk-in shower, as well as a bathtub. I found this to be a nice combination that you don't see in many hotel rooms. The view from my room faced the Strip with a great view of the Planet Hollywood and the Cosmopolitan Hotel. It was a pretty fantastic view, and at nighttime it looked even better. Let's continue the tour by heading downstairs and starting with the casino area. The casino is over 95,000 square feet. It features blue cloud-filled ceilings and has French features throughout. The casino features over 1,700 slot machines, including many of the most popular and hottest machines. In addition, there are 130 different table games. The casino is meant to evoke an evening in Paris. In fact, the legs of the Eiffel Tower go right through the casino. This is definitely a heavily themed resort. You'll find numerous replicas of famous Paris landmarks. The casino features a Moulin Rouge themed design and features Art Nouveau architectural elements. With the Parisian streetscapes, fountains, and statues, the Paris Casino is an attraction unto itself. And even if you're not into heavily themed resorts, you can't help but appreciate the attention to detail. There's also a special slot area called Champagne Slots. And if you're a high roller, there's a special area which offers high limit excitement. Also located on the casino floor is the Caesars Race and Sportsbook. The newly renovated sportsbook is over 3,000 square feet and features 1,200 square feet of high-resolution LED screens and 12 odds boards. There are several bars and lounges located right on the casino floor. If you're looking for a great place to kick off the evening, head over to Le Central. This lobby bar offers great views of the casino and features elegant chandeliers. There's also another smaller bar located right next to Le Central. Under the leg of the Eiffel Tower, you'll find Gustav's Las Vegas Bar. The bar features drinks and video poker machines. There's also a bar located next to the Caesars Sportsbook. Also on the casino floor is Le Cabaret. The venue offers a bar and features live entertainment on Friday and Saturday nights. There are also several restaurants located right on the casino floor. Mon Ami Gabi offers French cuisine and an extensive wine list. The restaurant has become a favorite in Las Vegas. You can enjoy dining inside the cafe or al fresco on the patio. The restaurant features a great view of the Las Vegas Strip. Also on the casino floor is Alexa's. This popular spot features bottomless mimosas and American cuisine. Alexa's features a bar and was voted best patio dining and specialty cocktails in Las Vegas. Also on the casino floor is Gordon Ramsay Steak. This contemporary steakhouse by celebrity chef Gordon Ramsay offers prime beef aged to perfection in a London atmosphere. Next is the Eiffel Tower Restaurant. The restaurant offers fine French cuisine and is one of the most romantic restaurants in Las Vegas. The restaurant sits more than 100 feet above the Strip and offers an amazing view. Cafe Americano is a Vegas cafe with French flair. The restaurant features open patio-style seating overlooking the casino and is open 24 hours. The Beer Park offers cold beers, cocktails, and other stadium favorites with spectacular views of the Las Vegas Strip. It's also a great place to catch a game, and there's plenty of bar games to pass the time. Also on the casino floor is Brioche by Guy Savoy. Brioche offers pastries, coffees, and more. Chateau is a popular rooftop nightclub overlooking the Strip. It features VIP tables, bottle service, and plenty of room for dancing. Retail outlets along the casino include the Eiffel Tower gift shop. Here you can pick up a memento of your Paris Las Vegas experience. Okay, we covered the casino area. Let's move to Le Boulevard. Le Boulevard offers retail and restaurants, all in a Parisian set atmosphere. You'll stroll down cobblestone walkways along with trees and lampposts reminiscent of a Parisian street. Among the restaurants in or near Le Boulevard include Vanderpump. Vanderpump features delectable dishes along with whimsical and unique cocktails, all in a lush, elaborate atmosphere. The restaurant was designed by Lisa Vanderpump and Nick Olaine. The restaurant is open for dinner only. Next is Café Belle. Café Belle is a charming French-inspired cafe and serves coffee and pastries. Nobu offers award-winning Japanese cuisine by chef Nobu Matsuhisa. This upscale restaurant features imported Asian and Japanese fish, imported seafood, and other exotic delicacies. The restaurant is open for dinner only. Bobby's Burgers by Bobby Flay offers signature burgers and sweet milkshakes. In her first ever restaurant, Martha Stewart brings her lifestyle brand to the Paris. The Bedford by Martha Stewart features a replica of Martha's 1925 farmhouse. The menu features Martha's most celebrated dishes and includes locally sourced ingredients. The restaurant is open for dinner only. La Crêperie features delicate crepes made to order. And JJ's Boulangerie is a charming cafe that serves colorful treats, delicious sandwiches, and fresh pizza. Napoleon's is a lively piano bar and lounge. The lounge features dueling pianos and sing-alongs in a vintage Vegas showroom. The lounge features wood panel walls lined in gold, red curtains, and a black and white checkered floor. Le Boulevard also features several retail shops. Among them are Misura, a fine men's apparel store, and Paris Line, which features high-fashion women's apparel. There's also a Viva Vegas for all of your Vegas souvenirs. And HR High Tech Room, offering electronics and accessories. You'll also find an aromatherapy store in Le Boulevard. There are also several hotel gift stores where you can buy snacks, souvenirs, and more. But here's a tip. There's a CVS right outside the hotel, and many of these items can be found there at a much cheaper cost. That takes care of the casino area and Le Boulevard. Now let's head up to the pool. The pool complex is located on the second floor of the hotel. Unlike several other resorts on the Strip that have multiple pools, the Paris has only one. However, the pool itself is quite large and is definitely worth visiting. But what really makes the pool special is its location. You'll be able to sunbathe with a view of several Strip landmarks, including the Eiffel Tower and the Arc de Triomphe replicas. The views are definitely spectacular, and you won't get a view like this at any other Las Vegas pool. There are several lounge chairs located throughout the complex, and they are on a first-come, first-served basis. Additionally, there are 25 day beds, 18 cabanas, and 8 villas for rent. There's also a cafe which serves sandwiches, salads, and more, as well as a full-service bar. The bar also features VIP bottle service. Right next to the pool complex is the Oasis Pool Boutique, as well as a 25,000 square foot spa and salon. In addition to traditional massages and facials, many advanced options are also available, like hydrofacial treatment and salt stone therapy. As you can see, the resort has plenty to offer, and I would definitely recommend it on your next trip. I hope you enjoyed the tour, and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. This is Traveling Joe saying thanks for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.